I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image and verifying subject isolation. This matters because contrast helps the algorithm detect edges. Once done, open the Magic Eraser tool and pick Auto for quick passes or Manual for control. I recommend Auto to preview results, then switch to Manual for refinement. Make sure to zoom to 100% before you erase small areas so you avoid cutting into the subject. You'll save time by combining a fast auto pass with targeted manual corrections afterward. Now you refine the image by working in small sections because large strokes mask mistakes. Use the brush size slider and hardness options to match the object's edge. Softer brushes for hair or fur, harder for crisp lines. Once you remove an area, inspect adjacent pixels and use Undo or the History panel to revert if needed. You should alternate between erasing and restoring with small strokes until the replacement texture blends naturally. This iterative approach prevents obvious fill patterns. Finish by applying any smoothing or the patch tool to blend texture and lighting. This removes telltale repeating patterns. Export a high-resolution copy and compare it to the original at 1:1 to catch subtle artifacts. If you see seams or odd textures, lower the removal intensity, redo the area with smaller strokes, or switch to clone/patch for complex backgrounds. One key troubleshooting tip: when edges look soft or haloed, restore a thin edge with a fine brush rather than re-erasing. The fix is often additive rather than subtractive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.